Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about an important feature in Canva Pro. So that is called Grab property. So let me show you an example. Here you can see I have an image. So if you want to grab anything on this image, how you can easily do that. For example, if you want to grab this button to any position, how you can do that, as well as you can easily grab any type of text on your images. So now let me go and open the Canva. Here you can see. After that, now here I can upload image from my laptop. So let me select image, and after that let me click here use in our design. Here you can see the dimensions for the image. So just I want to keep it as it is. Okay guys, now here you can see now the image is open in editing mode in Canva Pro. So now if I want to change the position for this button, simply I need to click on the image, and here you can see on the top there are different options. So on the left side here you can see edit, and then scroll down. Here you can find out different options in the Magic Studio. So at this moment I want to use Magic Grab. Simply click here, and after that here you can see you will get two options, brush as well as click option. So directly you can click on any object on the image. For example, I want to click on the button and then click on the grab. So guys, now here you can see it is already now processed, and now we can drag the button to any position. For example, here you can see I can move this button to the top. And there is another similar property that is called grab text. So again click on the image, then edit, and after that move it here. Then here you can see grab text, click here. So now here you can see it automatically start detecting all the content on the image. So just you can click on the text, and after that click on the grab. And here you can see it is processing. So now you can change any content. For example, I want to change it. And now here you can see you can easily add any type of content that you want. Then you can easily move anywhere by using drag and drop functionality in Canva Pro. So guys, these are the two main properties in Canva Pro: grab text and magic grab. So you can easily change anything on your images. Final step is just you can click on share button, and then you can download your images into any format. Thank you for watching video.